guys, it's Dom. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. Today I'm going to be doing a what I eat in a day. I'm not vegetarian, not vegan, I'm not on any sorts of diets. The only thing that I do change about what I eat is I use almond milk or oat milk as a milk substitute, but I still eat cheeses and things like that. It is the morning, and for breakfast I just kind of have a tea. Sometimes I'll make some eggs or sometimes I'll make a smoothie. I'm not usually hungry in the morning, so I just have a tea. This is chamomile tea with some honey as a sweetener. I might go downstairs and make a smoothie bowl. I'm not quite sure yet, but I will see you guys when I make my next meal. Hey guys, so for breakfast I actually decided to make a smoothie bowl. So what I'm putting inside of my smoothie bowl is just this 4-fruit blend of frozen fruit. It has peaches, strawberries, pineapples, and mango. I'm not a fan of strawberries, but I usually prefer raspberries, but we're just gonna go with it. For my liquids, I am not a fan of putting yogurt inside, so I don't do that. I use orange juice, and I'm also going to be putting some of this Complete Bite Juice Plus French vanilla protein powder. This is like the only one that I think is actually like good and adds like a good flavor. So first off, I'm starting with my smoothie mix. I'm adding about 3 scoops of this, or up until my cup is completely full. Next, I'm adding some of my protein powder, just 1 scoop of this. Then I'm gonna add some orange juice. I kind of just eyeball this. Then I give this all one good shake, that way the protein powder at the bottom gets mixed. Next, I just mix this into the blender until I have my desired consistency. Once my smoothie is ready to go, I just put this into a bowl. Here I'm going to be adding some blueberries and some blackberries for some extra nutrition. You can really add anything you want here, nuts, coconut flakes, cacao nibs. So guys, this is my smoothie bowl. I did add a little bit of extra orange juice, so it's kind of not as thick as I wanted it to, but I just topped it with some blueberries and some blackberries. Let's give it a taste. The protein powder actually makes it taste really good. I'm really happy with the way this turned out, and I guess I will see you guys at lunch. Okay guys, so it is time for lunch. I'm gonna get started. I'm going to be making a salad inspired from one of my favorite salads from this place called Freshie. First thing for my salad, I'm going to be boiling some edamame beans. So I'm going to put some salt into some hot water. I have a steamer here, but you can just throw them directly into the pot. Next, I'm just going to be cleaning off this carrot so that I can grate it. You can cut the carrots, grate the carrots, but I prefer to grate them. Then I'm just going to put this all into the bowl. Next, I want to take some frozen mango, about half a cup, and just put them into a bowl so that they can thaw for the salad. Then I take some kale, chard, and spinach mix. I'm just going to give these all a bit of a rinse in my salad spinner. Behind the stars, but how come the stars don't shine? Now once my greens are clean, I'm just going to throw them into my bowl. Makes me this way. Here I'm just going to be taking some goat cheese and cutting it up into little chunks for my salad. Once I have everything chopped up, I'm just going to add it to the bowl along with my mangoes that are now thawed. Okay, along with my salad, I'm also going to be making some eggs and some bacon. For my eggs, I just scrambled them with some Montreal steak spice and cooked my bacon normally. When my edamame beans are ready, I'm just going to go strain them. Then I'm going to be taking out the actual bean out of the pod, that way I can put it into my salad. Now that I have all the ingredients to my salad, I'm going to throw everything in there. Then I'm taking some balsamic vinaigrette to pour around my salad, giving this one last good mix, then we are ready to go. Okay guys, so I'm finished making my salad. It's in a pretty large bowl because I'm a hungry person. So I'm gonna finish this, try this out, and then going to eat some eggs and some bacon on some toast. Hey guys, so it is around dinner time, and for dinner I'm going to be making some lasagna, so let's go do that. The first thing that I'm going to do is blend up some tomato chunks. My mom personally makes them herself, but you can just buy the stuff in a can. The next step is cooking the ground beef. I just have some lean ground beef here. I'm going to put this into a pan and cook it at about medium heat. Along with the ground beef, I'm also going to be adding in half of a red onion and half of a white onion and 2 garlic cloves. I'm just mincing all of this together to throw into the ground beef while it cooks. I'm also going to be cutting up some cilantro so that I can add it to the tomato sauce. Once the tomato sauce is blended, I throw this into a pot along with the cilantro. Once I've allowed the ground beef to cook fully, I'm just going to be adding all of this into my pot of tomato sauce. I'm using a spoon with holes, that way I do not catch any of the grease that the ground beef left. Into my sauce, I'm going to be adding some Italiano spice, garlic and herb, rosemary leaves, and some garlic powder. I then allow the sauce to cook slowly on low heat with the lid on. For cheeses, I'm going to be shredding some mozzarella. You can buy yours pre-shredded, and I'm also going to be using some ricotta. If you have pasta noodles to cook, I would recommend doing that, but here I have some oven-ready lasagna noodles. Now that we have all the elements to our lasagna, let's start assembling. First, I'm starting off with 1 layer of the sauce. That way, none of my pasta is going to stick. Then coat your pan with the pasta and add another layer of sauce. Then I'm going to be adding the ricotta cheese and my mozzarella or any other cheeses that you desire. I'm going to repeat this step until I've used up all of my sauce and all of my cheeses and until my pan is full. Once you've finished assembling your lasagna, cover with a layer of tin foil. Then I'm going to just throw this into the oven at 350 degrees for about 15 minutes. Then I'm going to check on it, add another layer of cheese, that way you get that gooey melted cheese top, and I'm going to broil this for about 3 minutes. And there you have it, the finished lasagna. Hey guys, so I hope you enjoyed my what I eat in a day, and I hope I gave you some ideas on what you can eat or just some other things that you can try out. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube video. If you liked it, give this video a big thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a new video. And I guess I'll see you next week.